Hi, I'm Alan with Bluefrog Plumbing and Drain of North Dallas. You may have moved into that wonderful older home. It has all those incredible built-ins and an amazing charm that won you over. Although it's an incredible place, you've been dealing with repeated or minor plumbing issues. A few signals you may be due for an overhaul include low water pressure, corrosion in your pipes, frequent clogs, pipes are bursting, or your water bills are just higher than they used to be. If you're not sure if these repairs are minor, or you are in need of a replacement, get with the trusted plumbers from Bluefrog Plumbing and Drain of North Dallas.